Today I've been feeling down and a bit unproductive and a bit stuck in a rut and a bit like whatever I do is just not right. So whenever I feel like this, I know a walk will make me feel better. I like to walk to take my mind off of things, switch up the routine, change the environment. I like to sit down in nature and just be. I find that here you can't really be wrong. You can just be. And I think that's beautiful. And maybe that's why I like it so much. Being out here recharges me so much. It's like a creativity boost. Every time I come out and just spend some time with my thoughts. I think so many times we forget to appreciate the little things in life, and we get so wrapped up in all the goals that we want to achieve and all the places we want to be in the future, but we forget to sit back and look where we are now. I have really been craving nature lately. Just the sounds and the smells. I think this rainy season and the last couple of weeks have just been a reminder of how great and beautiful nature is. Everything is green and alive again. I've planted some peppers last month and I thought the seeds would never sprout. So I planted some onions on top after 2 weeks of them not doing anything. And after this last week with all the rain and the thunder and all the electricity in the air, it brought my peppers to life. It made the seeds sprout. And so my peppers are coming out on top of my onions now. And it's just such a great reminder of how strong and powerful nature is. The birds are singing, the sun is setting. This is so beautiful. Some days, even starting feels impossible. My ideas feel too messy, I feel too messy. Like maybe I'm not cut out for the things I love. But then, there are these small moments. Like this walk, this air, the way the trees don't rush me. Nature doesn't care if I've been productive. The sky never asks what I've achieved. And for a second, I remember. I'm allowed to be here. Even when I feel unsure, I'm allowed to create badly. Take time to rest. Try again slowly. I don't need to have it all figured out to take the next step. And honestly, I think I'm proud of myself for just being out here, for showing up to this moment. Sometimes healing doesn't look like a big transformation. Sometimes it's just going outside and breathing like it matters. I'm still learning to be okay. Still learning that being soft doesn't make me weak. Still learning that starting over isn't failure. It's proof I haven't given up. Some days, I feel like everything I've ever made is bad. Like I fooled everyone into thinking I'm capable, creative. And I know it's dramatic. I know it's probably not true. But burnout has this way of whispering lies that feel like facts. But I'm learning, slowly, that it's okay to need rest without guilt. It's okay to step away from the noise. This walk is not a solution. It's not a breakthrough. It's just a small reminder that I exist outside the pressure to be productive. Even if all I did today was take a breath and feel the ground under my feet, that counts too. So if you're walking with me, even just in spirit, this is your permission to feel tired, to take a break, to try again tomorrow, or next week, or whenever you're ready. You're not behind. You're not broken. You're just a little burnt out, and you're allowed to be. Yeah? Are you waiting for me? Thank you. Thanks. Thank you for waiting. Look what you've done. See? See what you've done? He comes home with me every day to get food. Fed him once. Like your bum, buddy.
Beautiful car comes out of side street, all over the media, in excess. I light it up, hit the whaler. Guy drives on like I'm invisible for 10 blocks before he pulls over. Let's run clean, so I feel tense and harassed. Now, I'm belting in our evening. Come down here. I see you down here.
You do the wisdom talk.
Safety vehicle. Thanks for your cooperation.
I like your green.
Let's go.
It's starting again. Oh, okay, hold on. What's the concept? Thinking of something, and I'm thinking of something,
and then we come together
bending
when
together.
we start to see something.
That's cute. I like that.
Yeah.
Right off his tongue. Sorry. Baby, yours is really dark. Are you okay? Babe.
This is a tree.
Baby, it's a really dark tree. Why all the black around it?
That's what it is.